Welcome to the third annual opening of the windows for spring. Let the fresh air in. So I have this sweet spring tablecloth, this vintage tablecloth that I love, but unfortunately the stains just will not come out, and I've got a hole here, so it's time to say goodbye. There are some things that cannot be saved. So I'm going to cut up some of the embroidery and maybe make a kerchief or a hairband or something. So Hello, Kindred Spirits, and welcome to Contemplation Corner. This is where I just pick a corner in the apartment homestead and we just sit and chit-chat about anything and everything. Recently, I was in a situation where I had apologized for something that I really didn't do anything wrong. My intentions were pure, my intentions were good, but for some reason, it was perceived in a totally different way. I naturally apologized and apologized and apologized, and it wasn't getting me anywhere. I finally said to the person, "What would you like me to do? What's the next step? What more can I do for you?" And they had no answer. And so I was left with, where do you go from here when you do everything right and it's not getting you anywhere? Well, in a situation like this, there's no other place you can go but take it to God. Let Him sort it out. If you know you did right, and you've done all you can do on your end, then you have to turn it over to Him and let Him do the rest. I don't know where this situation is going to lead, but it feels good that I don't have to figure it all out on my own. It feels so good that I can just put it in His lap and let Him make sense of it. And the one thing about when you do something like that is God can take a mess and turn it into something good. He can bring something good out of it. And isn't it kind of interesting, ironic, how my tablecloth had stains that wouldn't come out, a hole that really can't be repaired, but it didn't have to be thrown away. I was able to save the good out of it and come out of it with something very nice. Interesting metaphor, isn't it? That's a word to all of you. When you've done all you can do, turn it over to Him and then rest on it. This is how you can keep your serenity, peace, and comfort. Baby, he's sleeping. It's his baby nap time. Yes, love. Yes, love. Before you go, I just want to share with you a little bit what's happening here lately. It's America's 250th anniversary, and this year I decided to do a lot of fun videos to honor it. The first one I did is right here. Check it out. It's taste testing the teas from the Boston Tea Party from 250 years ago. Those teas are still available. You can still try them and buy them. And so I had some fun testing them and sharing with you the different tastes and the different teas that are out there. So check out that video if you haven't seen it yet. To all of you who are new, welcome. We are on Instagram. Google took us off for a couple of months, but I'm going to be getting back on, and I'm going to be rebuilding my Instagram page. So keep an eye out for Serenity, Peace, and Comfort back on Instagram. And that's it for now. Until I see you again next week, God bless you, and we'll see you soon. Don't forget to always check out the description on our page to find out anything else that's new and what's going on. I'll see you soon. Goodbye, Kindred Spirits.